Hey everyone, Hannah here from Sheet Leveler. Today I'll show you how to add a prefix or suffix to an entire column in Google Sheets. Perfect for adding currency symbols, text labels, or file names. Prefix formula. If your text is in A1, use. Suffix formula. Use. Apply to whole column. Double-click the fill handle or drag the formula down. If you want to keep results and remove formulas, go to Copy, Paste Special, Values Only. That's it. Instantly add text before or after every cell. Formulas are in the description. Hit like if this helped, and subscribe for more sheet tips. Formula. Use carefully. This works per cell, not full column reversal. Important note. This reverses characters inside a cell. It does not reverse rows. It does not reverse word order. That's a different method. That's how you reverse text in Google Sheets using a simple formula. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more sheet tips.